Okay, so we're going to try to explain the problem with this video camera that I purchased. I have just put a brand new tape in it. So it was a brand new tape I just unwrapped, put in the camera, and sometimes it loads, so it's going in, but you hear the beeping. I don't know if you can hear that, and it looks really good, you know, in the viewfinder and everything. You can, but you can see that little, it looks like an eject sign, and it just beeps and it ejects. So if you try to record or do anything, you know, try to record anything, it just doesn't do anything. It just sits there. And then if you hit the buttons to rewind or fast forward or you know, put it in okay, that just shuts it off. But oh, here you go. So you got to flip it down to put it in play mode. So here's a little, can't see it very well, switch on the front. You flip that down to put it in play mode. Hear it beeping. So now you try to put it in play mode. You try to fast forward or play or, you know, rewind or do anything. It just does absolutely nothing. So put it back in record mode and flip it back now. Okay, now it's back to record mode. Just beeps. And you can see that little symbol there showing that something's up. So you hit the play. So now here's the record button. You push the record button, hold it down, do whatever, and it does not record. Doesn't record, doesn't play back, doesn't do anything, but it sure looks nice. So yeah, so that's the issue with this video camera.